Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
Are you ready to play the game of crossword fun with Monami? Today, the topic for the day is short sound of letter U. We will be practicing 3-letter words with short sound of letter U. Umbrella. Up. Under. It is your turn. As in umbrella. As in up. As in under. Let us start the game. Crossword fun. CVC words with short vowel U. Let us understand how to play this game. There are 2 pictures. Similarly, there are 2 words. One word is across the grid, that is from left to right, and another word is down the grid, that is from top to bottom. You have to fill in the missing letters in the red boxes to complete both the words. For example, the first word is rub. R-A-B. Rub. The second word is nub. N-A-B. Nub. So we have to drop letter R for rub and letter N for nub. Let us frame a sentence with these words. The goldsmith had to rub the nub of gold to make it shine. Now, your turn. Look at the pictures and guess the words.
Cup. Tub.
Spell the words.
K-A-B. Cup. T-A-B. Tub.
Which letter is missing?
Letter U.
Drop letter U to complete both the words cub and tub. Now let us make a sentence. The little cub was bathing in a big tub. Next, look at the pictures and guess the words.
Bud. Mud.
Spell the words.
B-A-D. Bud. M-A-D. Mud.
Which letters are missing?
B. Letter B. Letter M.
So drop letter B for bud and letter M for mud. Now let us make a sentence. I saw a rosebud lying in the mud. Let us go to the next. Look at the pictures and guess the words.
Pug.
Hug. Spell the words.
P-A-G. Pug. H-A-G. Hug.
Which letter is missing?
G. Letter G.
So you have to drop letter G twice. Once for pug and once for hug. Let us frame a sentence with these words. Dan gave a hug to his pug. Next, look at the pictures and guess the words.
Jug. Mug.
Spell the words.
J-A-G. Jug. M-A-G. Mug.
Which letters are missing?
J.
So you have to drop letter J for jug and letter M for mug. Can you please pour some milk from the jug into my mug? Thank you. Next, look at the pictures and guess the words.
Buck, dug.
Spell the words.
B-U-G, bug. D-U-G, dug.
Which letters are missing?
B, letter B. D, letter D.
So you have to drop letter B for bug and letter D for dug. Let us make a sentence. The bug dug a tunnel in the old cupboard. Next, look at the pictures and guess the words.
Rug
And lug. How do we spell rug?
R-U-G, rug.
And the spelling of lug is L-U-G, lug. So which letter is missing?
Letter U.
So you have to drop letter U to complete both the words rug and lug.
What is the meaning of lug?
Lug means to carry or drag something very heavy or bulky with great effort. For example, Tim began to lug the big rug down the stairs. Next, look at the pictures and guess the words.
Dug,
Pup. Spell the words.
G, dug,
Pup. Which letters are missing?
letter P, G, letter G.
So you have to drop letter P for pup and letter G for dug. Now, let us frame a sentence. I saw a pup dug the rug into his kennel. Children, hope you have enjoyed playing the game of crossword fun with Monami. See you in our next episode, and
Friends, do not forget to like, subscribe and share the channel and press the bell icon also.
then bye.
Bye friends.